Hey everyone, Leo Bond here. I'm back again today for the Best Buy Canada blog, and in this video I'm taking my second look at the Garmin dash cams. This time I'm specifically looking at the Garmin 67W, which is a 1440p high definition dash camera with an LCD screen, built-in Wi-Fi, a bunch of other features that we're going to look at in the video here. But also I just want to mention that many of these features are shared with the other dash cams that I've been looking at today, although not all of them are. Some of them are just exclusive to this particular camera. So as I was saying, it does have 1440p high definition resolution. And that works in conjunction with a feature called Garmin Clarity HDR Optics. And between the two, you're going to get really crystal clear video footage both night and day. And I'm going to drop some footage, both night and day footage, in this video here so that you can take a look at that for yourself. Although it was raining when I did my day footage, so that does make things a little bit blurry trying to look through the windshield. But anyway, this particular camera has a 180-degree field of view. That's probably the main differentiator between this and the other models. It also, as I say, has Wi-Fi connectivity, but it also has Bluetooth, and that is how it connects to the Garmin Drive app, which is a very handy, freely downloadable app that gives you all sorts of different useful features. Now, another thing is that there's continuous recording with all these Garmin dash cams, and that basically means that even though you don't always see what's recording because the screen will go off, it's almost like a little screensaver feature, but it is always recording regardless, and you can press a button or use voice functionality to give it a command to say take a photo or save a video clip or whatever. Now, regarding the voice functionality, that does work in 6 different languages. English and French are both included, as well as Spanish, German, Italian, and Swedish. It also has live view monitoring, so if you happen to have your car parked on the street, maybe in a place where you can't see it, you'll actually be able to look in through the Garmin app on your phone and see what the camera is seeing, and you can kind of check in on your car. So that's a very nice feature. Now, installation for this camera is very easy. You just peel the plastic off the adhesive so that you can stick it onto your windshield, and basically all that sticks on there is a little magnet, and then you can pull the camera on or off anytime because it's magnetically connected. I thought that was a very clever feature because, you know, sometimes you may want to bring your camera inside, especially if you're going to upload videos onto your computer or whatever. But it's very nice to be able to do that very quickly and easily. Now, also in testing with this, I was driving it around with it a couple different times, and I noticed that when I would get within 800 meters of a red light camera, it would give me a warning about that. I didn't even read that in the different features for the camera. That was just something that I learned through use. So very handy there. And of course, this one also comes with a 16 gigabyte micro SD card, so it holds a good amount of footage. And like I say, setup is very easy. Once you get it stuck to the window, you just plug everything in, and then you just run the wire wherever you want. Now, since I was just doing a temporary setup, I didn't bother to hide the wire. The whole thing took me like 10 seconds, literally. So an excellent little camera. I found the footage very clear, very easy to see everything, except for through the rain, of course. But other than that, very good and definitely well worth its slightly higher price over the other models in the series that I'm looking at here, because like I say, that 180-degree field of view alone, I mean, that's a big one. That's a real good feature. So anyway, more detail in the complete written review, and if you haven't watched the other video yet where I kind of look at all 4 cameras and give a little bit of a compare and contrast, you can go ahead and do that as well. It's all right there in the written article. Once again, as always, thank you for watching. Have an excellent day.